but I just accidentally. Ah! That's stupid! Destroy the ship is a game that you have to destroy a ship, and then you can spawn stuff like a helicopter, gunship helicopter. Spawn this, and then go on it, and then press fly T, and then uppy, 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 up, uppy, 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 uppy. When you got enough up, if you want that's enough, go right here, and then get your lizards out, and then boom, destroy that ship. This is how the game works. So now I gotta destroy. Did someone destroy my helicopter that I was using? Not there here. I'm just gonna use a Lamborghini. I'm gonna use a Saberghini. A wolf Saberghini. Go right here. And then boom. Damn. That looks good. Come on, man. They keep deleting. Can you just spawn a ship without deleting these ships and helicopters and vehicles? Dude, they're getting so annoying. What is... I'm not spawning a tank. A tank. With boat. It's level 1. I'm gonna use a level 1. But how dare you? Oh my goodness. I'm just gonna spawn another boat. Go, my friend, before this doesn't explode. I think I completed level 1 boats. Good. I'm using this. Yikes! I jump high like this. Okay. No more boats. I hate boats. Now for this tank. It's gonna spawn this tank and enjoy with this tank. Boom! See, I have a tank. I have a fully tank. Now let's go right here and spawn one. Spawn wolf torpedo bomber. Okay, time to try this. Never mind, I'll just try the spaceship one. Spaceship. I'll enjoy this fly. Fire laser? What are they talking about? Oh gosh, what did I just do? Damn, that looks good. Wolf Samuel. Now time for the bomber torpedo. Let's try this beast. Drop torpedo. Oh gosh. Yo, what the frick did I just do? Dude, oh, damn. That looks good. Okay, I did it. Now I should go and try the new vehicles, I guess. Let's spawn wolf missile truck. I spawned a missile truck. There's these missiles. Damn, that looks good. Let's spawn a torpedo bomber right here. And then go in here. Then destroy the ship. Okay, let's first destroy this. Boom. Oh, damn. That looks good. Okay, we destroyed. Now time for the ship. Dude, right there. This, see, it's destroying the ship. I'm firing F. Fire effing. Hold up, guys. I'm coming. Once again, I am back now. Just got a little bit doorbell. I just opened the doorbell and back. Hey, no going. Destroy. Wait, what's happening? What is that? Oh gosh, someone just destroyed my ship for airstrike. Who was that? The spawn wolf Avico. Okay. Let's try this beast. Hey, now time for the spawn wolf ambulance tank. Look at this beast right now. If they're gonna be driving it, I'm gonna be pissed of them. Drive if you want. I'm gonna explode that ship. Oh, you thought you could get away from me? Well, you have no chance for my tank. Bruh. No, I'm not. Fire. Damn, that looks good. And then yikes! Now let's spawn. The final vehicle is just an Oliver. Okay. Let's try this tank on the car. Fire. Oh! I just destroyed the car. Okay, the vehicles are done. Time for the helicopters. Damn, that looks good. A naval helicopter? This is the first helicopter. Now flighty. Uppy. Never mind, it's just... Okay. Naval helicopter. Okay. Flighty. And then uppy. Wait, drop death? Charge? Hey, this helicopter is legendary for now. Okay, drop death. Autopilot on. Yikes! This is the first lizard's legendary weapon. This is the first legendary... Was that guy? Okay, time to try those ships. Yikes! They think this ship is trash. Okay, I'm spying that ship again. Damn, that looks good. Okay, you do it, my friend. You'll attack vehicles. Toggle door. Okay, then I'm driving it now. Loser. Is this spawn this Lamborghini? Oh gosh, what kind of stuff was that? Well, I'm going to chill in this boat for now. I'm not taking the door. Close the door, man. Fine, I'm just going to put it. No fires today. What a good day. Whoa, what is this? It got lighty. Good, it got lighty. What is happening for now? I don't know. Well, I'm just going to run out. Okay, time to try these vehicles now. That vehicle is boring. Where did it go? Okay, I'm flying. What happened? Yo, chill, bro, chill. What are you doing? Okay, that's it. I'm stringed. Oh, okay, I'll wait. I'm just gonna go this way. Yeah, chill, bro, chill. Okay, let's try these last boats. I am flying! No way! This can't happen. It's so cool. Well, this place is sucking. Okay, guys, enjoy the video. I'll see you next time. Bye!